everyone, I hope all of you are doing fine. I'm Siddhi Varda Agrawal and today I'm going to teach a topic in mathematics known as the construction of quadrilaterals. So let's get started. First one is the features of quadrilaterals. So here is the first feature of quadrilaterals. So a quadrilateral, like it looks somewhat like this. Once a minute. This is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. It has four sides. Let's name this quadrilateral as A, B, C, and D. It has four sides A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, A. It has four vertices A, B, C, and D. It has four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. So this is a quadrilateral. It has two diagonals. Diagonals, they connect to the opposite vertices. Okay, sum of all angles is 360 degrees. What is meant by this statement? It means that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, next, congruent quadrilaterals. When two quadrilaterals have same length of sides and same length of angles. Same length of angles. Okay, so if I draw a quadrilateral over here, then this will be equal to this should be equal to this, and this should be equal to this should be equal to this. So then it is said to be a congruent quadrilateral. Okay, and even this is the length of sides, the length of angles also. Same measure of angles also should be same. Okay, same measure. Like this should be equal to this should be equal to this should be equal to this, and this should be equal to this. Right? They're said to be congruent. Next, minimum 5 parts to be known to construct a quadrilateral. What is meant by this statement? You might have learned by constructing a triangle, the congruent triangles, the four properties. SSS side, SAS side angle side, ASA angle side angle, and RHS right hypotenuse side. Right, you are studying. So what can we notice? So in all, how many parts do we need? 3 measures, right? We need only 3 measures to construct a triangle. What about a quadrilateral? To construct a quadrilateral, minimum we need 5 parts. Okay, required. Minimum 5 parts are required to construct a quadrilateral. So let's get started with few ways how the quadrilateral can be constructed. First, C, A, C. We'll draw a line which measures 12 centimeter. A to B is 8 centimeter. So we'll take cut an arc. From C to B it is 10 centimeters. We'll cut an arc. So here this point will be marked as B, and this is C to B is our match, 10 centimeters. A to B is 8. Right, done. Then here over D it comes. A to D is 5.6. From 5.6 we'll cut an arc. C to D is 7 centimeters. We'll cut an arc. Mark it as D. This is the thing which will be formed. Yes, this is a rough figure. So let's draw it over here. First, the longest side AC. What is the measure of it? 12 centimeter. This will consider as the baseline over here. Next, A to B, it's 8 centimeter. From A, we're using a ruler and compass will measure, and we'll cut an arc at 8 centimeters. Next, what is the measure of C to B? AB, it's done. B to C, it's 10 centimeters. We'll do this also. It will cut an arc at 10 centimeters where they will intersect, that will be B. Now A to B, you know it's 8 centimeters. B to C, you know, it's 10 centimeters. Done. Next, we'll take D when AC is done. Okay, A to D it's 5.6. So here 5.6 will cut an arc. C to D, this is done. C to D it's 7 centimeter. So we'll cut an arc at 7. This will be D. We'll join. DC is how much? 7 centimeters. AD is how much? 5.6 centimeters. Haven't we constructed a quadrilateral? See, this is a quadrilateral. Isn't this a quadrilateral? It has 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides, and it has one diagonal, and second diagonal can be this one also. This is also a diagonal, right? So we have constructed a quadrilateral. Next is, let me revise again with the same concept. First we'll take the baseline. Let's take PQ, right? PQ we have taken. With according to the measure, cut an arc. From here according to the measure, cut an arc. The mark will mark it with some letter. And so for here also, down also we'll do the same thing. Cut an arc and join. This is the way we draw. Next we'll come to the next one. What about if three sides and two diagonals are given? Here also we have 5 measures with us. Right, so in this case, how can we draw? Let's again get started. WX is 6 point. XY 6. So this is a side. This is also a side. Right, so WXY is there. So WX is a side. XY is a side. ZX is not a side. WZ is also a side. WZ is also a side. ZX and YW, these are diagonals. Okay, so let's construct it. Start the construction. WX 6.5. W to Y it is 6 centimeters. So X to Y it is what? 6 centimeters. Sorry, W to Y it's 8 centimeters. So here we'll cut an 8. This is 6, so we'll cut an arc. This will be our Y. This is a rough figure being drawn. So this is your Y. Next, what about Z? Z should be over here. XZ is 7 centimeters. From X we'll cut an arc 7. WZ is 5. Cut an arc. This will be your Z. We will just join, and this is our quadrilateral WXYZ. So how should we draw? Let's get started. So WX is 6.5 centimeters. Next, W to Y, you know it's how much? 8 centimeters. So we'll cut an arc wherever 8 centimeters goes. Let's see for here if it goes. We have cut an arc. X to Y, it is 6 centimeters. So we'll cut an arc wherever it meets. That point will be Y. We'll just join these things. Next, Z we have to take. This is done. This is done. This is done. About these two we have to look at. W to Z it's 5. So W to Z, he'll take 5 centimeters and cut an arc. X to Z it's 7. We cut an arc. This will be Z. Mark the intersection as Z and join. So ZX, as we had drawn the other diagonals. So isn't it a quadrilateral? Let's see. Like this, like this, like this and like. Okay, if you have not understood, let me revise this concept once more. See, let's take STUV. First what we have to do? First we have to do ST. We'll draw the baseline. This is one side area. Side. This is your side. Okay, then from here to what we have to cut an arc, and this will be a diagonal, right? Opposite. So we cut an arc. We'll mark it as U. So this to this will be a side, but this to this will be a diagonal, and this will be side. Next, over here to here the measurement will be given. We'll cut an arc accordingly. Then here to here we cut an arc. We'll join this and we'll mark it as V. Let's take. So this will be a diagonal. This will be your side. You have to join here. This will also be a side. So done. Our quadrilateral is ready. Okay. So we have achieved these two things. I hope you all understood the features of quadrilaterals, the features of quadrilaterals, right? Then next thing, how to construct on four sides and one diagonal. I've given. Again, the revision thing. This was, revised. Then this thing with three sides and two diagonals again. Here 5 measures, right? We find here 5 measures, so it's correct. This also we understood. Then a quick revision of how it should be drawn. I hope it's clear to you. Yep. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you all